My name is Kindson, the Tech Pro, and welcome to day 9 of our HackerRank 30 Days Coding Challenge. And today's challenge is going to be recursion. The difficulty is easy. Now let's see what we are expected to do. Today we are learning about algorithmic concept called recursion. Recursive method for calculating factorial n is equal to 1 if n is 0, but factorial n is equal to n times factorial n minus 1 if n is 1. That's when we return 1. It's less than or equal to, okay, so I hope you understand what is happening here. If n is greater than 1, maybe 2 or 3 or more, we now do n times factorial n minus 1. Alright, so we have to complete the factorial function in the editor below, and be sure to use recursion because there are other ways we can solve this problem without recursion. So let's go do it. Alright, so basically this is what we have here, and so I think it's quite easy. So we're going to say if n is less than or equal to 1, if n is less than or equal to 1, we're going to return what? Return 1. Else, now this is where we are going to use recursion. So we are going to return n times factorial n minus 1. So I think this is how it is. So in this case, let's say n is 2. So we have n, which is 2 times factorial 1. Factorial 1 is 1, so it's going to be 2 times 1, 2. It returns 2. If n is 3, it's going to return 2. It's going to return 3 times factorial 2. And factorial 2 is 2 times factorial 1, so it's going to return 6. So that's how recursion works. So it's simply going to continue recursively calculating the result. So let's just run this code to see if it works. If it works, that's fine, and then we are going to move on. So test case 0 pass. I'm going to submit just to see. Okay, so you can see that all the test cases passed successfully, and you can see, I'd like to say thumbs up to you if you've come this far. I think this is day 9, and we are going to continue from day 10 in the next part. And I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. If you have challenges, let me know in the comment box below. I remain Kindson, the Tech Pro, and I'm always there for you.